Hi, I'm Alicia Smith with F&S Building Innovations, and this is your home. These folks had a fabulous outdoor space. They've got the great patio, the outdoor fireplace, but there was one area that needed just a little bit of work. That's why they called the F&S Building Innovations Team. So one of the main challenges for these homeowners was finding the perfect place for their hot tub. We looked at a few places on the property, but some of them were located a little far away, and she really didn't want to run through the cold to get to it. We landed at the rear of the house. They had this uncovered rear stairway that accessed the basement. We were able to build a nice covered patio that's finished. They can sit out here when it's snowing and enjoy their hot tub. So one of the great things you get when you work with the F&S team, we're going to be able to walk through your project and discuss with you the best way to do it, the best place to locate it. We can provide full-scale renderings. A lot of times it's hard to understand what it's going to look like when it's finished, but if we draw it for you on the computer, it makes it really easy to arrive at your perfect finished product.
True quality stands the test of time. It is steadfast, it is reliable, it is enduring. F&S Building Innovations started in 1976, and more than 40 years later, the firm foundation remains. Faith and family. F&S Building Innovations is the area's leader in custom renovations, home additions, and commercial contracting. Trusted for generations. Trust our family to build for yours.
Build smart, build right.
F&S Building Innovations.
Innovations.